Hello and welcome to Creative Juice Without Pulp. Today I saw a video, and by today I mean 2 minutes ago. I saw a video called The Art of the 15-Second Commercial, and I like the idea, and I want to try making a 15-second commercial. I've made one before. It was really bad. I made it the first day I got my my camera. Here's the video. That's good. It's good, right? So, today I want to try making it again, but not use the same product. So I'm going to use a book. Luckily, I don't have too many books to choose from. I don't read. We're going to make the video about this bird book. I should remove that. 15-second ad for a bird book. Let's see how it goes. I will charge my camera, and I don't know what else I'll do. I'll do a shot list. Let's do a shot list. This book. What can you do with a book? 15-second advert. I don't even think... I've never seen a book advert. I'm just going to check there's book adverts. Book advert. Fuck it. What we're going to do is we're going to write down a bunch of shot ideas that we can do for a 15-second advert with this bird book. Yep. Alright, what can you do? You can spin it. You can spin book. You can open pages. Man, this is what you're meant to do. You know what would be a cool shot? When you have it like this, and then like, but like stop motion. I don't know how I'd do that. I guess glue tack. That's a good idea. Opening pages. Do you say blue tack or glue tack? Comment below. You won't. I always turn off the comment section. Okay. Bird sounds as background. You know what? Yeah. The background, the book should have plants in background of video. You know, just give it that nature vibes. Rocks and shit. What else? Birds. A nest. I'm not getting a nest. Work with what you got. I don't want someone reading the book. I mean, I could do, fuck it. Let's do shot of me reading the book. Alright, you know what? This is gonna be more than I intended, but let's shot of me hearing bird, looking at it, opening the book. Shot of a bird in the backyard. Because I have plans in 2 hours. This is meant to be a real quick little thing. I'm guessing this will take more than 2 hours. What else? What else can you do? I need to make a book commercial. I mean, yes, you need voiceover in obviously a tough guy British accent. That's the only way to sell a book. I don't know what he'll say. We'll need to write script. I think I'll do that after I've shot the video. And I know that's backwards. I know you're meant to do the other way around, but I don't actually know what I want him to say. How do you sell a book? Buy the book. It's good. I guess it would be good to just have a bunch of shots. Okay, you know what? Make this easy. We're going to get stock footage of Australian birds. And we're just going to sprinkle that in. Yes. Oh, yeah. So the script will be something, you know, like, for the explorer, for the adventurer. If I can spell that. Adventurer. Really? Adventurer. For the adventurer. Adventurer. Ace Ventura. Ace Ventura. I've never noticed that. He's a venturer. What else can you do with a book? Shit's being open. Shit's being... Oh yeah, you slide it across the table. Sliding across table with a nice coffee. I don't know why I have to say nice. With a nice coffee next to it. This isn't something you would read though, like as a coffee table book. This is like when you're out and about. So we need shots of walking. We need, yes. This became a project. Damn it. I didn't want this to become a big thing. This was going to be like a little experiment. We need I can get stock footage for this. Stock footage of... The idea isn't that I'm going to shoot the most amazing thing. It's more, well, it's also that I don't know what the goal is here. Let me just make a video. Now in its second edition, this guide includes 64 new or extensively revised color plates, incorporating all new birds observed in Australia, including Tasmania and islands and territories since 1986. Many of the older color plates... What is a color plate? I cannot imagine making something like this. This is like... Just imagine making this page. That's so much effort. Well done to Peter, Pat, and Raoul. Man, this is too much work. Where was I? Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna get stock footage of like hikes and adventures as well. I might even have stock footage, instead of me, stock footage of people looking up. It's more about the editing. I take it back. This, I don't know. We've got a basic idea. This is good. Now comes the next part. We'll make it easy for ourselves. First, we're gonna film shots of this. So I need to set up a place to film because I don't have that, because I don't have a studio, because I live at home. I'm thinking this space here. We've got a white wall. I'll get rid of that. And then maybe I'll move that forward. This is very heavy. I don't know if I can move that forward. And then I'll just have like plants and stuff around and make it look like a adventurous feeling. And then rocks and stuff, I guess. I need to find rocks. We have rocks. First, I need a better surface. We got a desk. Or it's just a piece of wood. So the desk sheet actually has two sides. It's got the white one and then this bit. And I'm actually thinking this could look cooler. I'm trying to set up like a little scene here, but it's more difficult than I expected. That looks shit. It's going. It's not going great, but it's going. I think I might need some more rocks and then it'll be alright. I should get another lighting source, but this is like super reflective, so I don't know if I have it on the front, it will like do what it's doing right now. I need to close some of the windows. The blinds, I mean the blind. Alright, so I'm looking at the shot and it's very shiny. I need to take off the cover. Yeah, that did not help. And these windows, or doors, mean I can't, unless I have to block out the whole light of that, which is just too much work. Alright, this works. This is a better angle, so now I have to move all the background stuff. It's a real good book. Alright, we got the shot lined up. Look, it's not award-winning in any way, but it will do. I think now I'm just going to get like a bunch of shots, then do something with it. The plan is going well. I just had a really cool idea. Cool is maybe not the right word. I had an idea though. Here's the idea. Doesn't look impressive now, but maybe, just maybe, it will look good on camera. Let's have a gander. So right now I'm trying to film that. I have the book, and then I open it up onto a random page. However, I want it to be planned on a certain page. So I'm putting something there so it naturally opens on that page. And then I can get a bunch of shots and stock footage to match up with that. So, you know, it will open up on the eagle and emu and shit like that. Alright, I think now I have enough footage for like a 10-15 second advert, which is what I'm aiming for. And then, you know, I'll have stock footage and stuff anyway. And maybe some graphics over it. So, done with that, now it's time to edit. So first I've got to transfer the files and then I'll get to editing. I'm trying to make this all in like 2 hours, from idea to... Nah, maybe I can't edit it as well within 2 hours, but 3 hours in total, hopefully. Alright, I'm currently transferring all the footage. Time to write a script. It's 15 seconds, so it shouldn't be a lot. Does this have like a little blurb? Is a winner of a Whitley Award, I don't know what that is, for the best field guide, and now has been printed for nearly 20 years. Beginners and experienced birdwatchers turn to this guide to identify the birds they see in their backyards and on bushwalking or birdwatching expedition. I like that. From the beginner to the experienced birdwatcher. This guide is... This is the ultimate guide to identifying the birds, identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest bird watching expedition. This is the A to Z of Australian birds. How long is this?
For the adventurer, for the explorer, from the beginner to the experienced birdwatcher, this is the ultimate guide to identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest bird watching expeditions. This is, alright, this is too long. From the beginner, does that make sense? From beginners to experienced bird watchers, this is the ultimate guide to identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest bird watching expeditions, this is the A to Z of Australian birds.
You know what? We have to get rid of that line as well. The Slater Field Guide to Australian Birds.
Buy it now.
Buy it now.
From beginner to experienced bird watchers, this is the ultimate guide to identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest bird watching expeditions, the Slater Field Guide to Australian Birds. Buy it now.
Nice. I'll do that properly. It's almost done transferring, so that's good. And yeah. Then it's time to get to editing. Hello again. Now comes the part where I record the voiceover. So we've just written the script and test. Alright.
Time to do Jason Statham. No! Wait, I need to watch a Jason Statham real quick.
It doesn't know I've been practicing.
It doesn't know I've been practicing. No!
The world is in this. The whole audience is in this movie. Like,
Does Jimmy found just Jimmy, come on, man.
Alright. I got it now. It's all good. Alright. Yeah, nah. I'm recording wrong. Give me a minute. Here we go. Jason Statham. From beginners to experienced bird watchers, this is the ultimate guide to identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest bird watching expeditions, the Slater Field Guide to Australian Birds. Buy it now. Yes. No. Yeah, I know I sound insane right now, but I don't care. Cause I'm Jason Statham. Jason Statham. Let's have a gander. Dial it down, fucking hell. You're a bit too happy about fucking bird, mate. From beginners to experienced bird watchers, this is the ultimate guide. No. Ultimate. From beginners to experienced bird watchers, this is the ultimate guide to identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest bird watching expeditions, the Slater Field Guide to Australian Birds. Buy it now.
I think that was the best thing I've ever heard. Yeah. Perfection. Export that last one. Bada bing. Is this too easy? I've just finished editing the video. It's not awful. It's not good, if I do say. Look, for the 2 hours of work, I think it's alright. The editing took maybe like an hour or two. And the filming took like an hour or two. So the whole thing went quite quickly. The voiceover that I recorded, I just pitched down my voice to make it sound manly, you know. And what else did I do? And added like kind of a half echoey effect to it. I'll show you both versions. I don't like the version with the voiceover because first of all, it's my voice and it sounds real corny. Here's the video.
From beginners to experienced birdwatchers, this is the ultimate guide to identifying Australia's birds. From the backyard to the deepest birdwatching expeditions, the Slater Field Guide to Australian Birds.
Yeah, I don't like it. I prefer it without. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the final cut. Here we go. I think it's alright for like a 4-hour job. I know I can do better, but for a 4-hour job, I just wanted to do a challenge on like how quick can I do like a 15-second book advert. Or advert, I guess. How did he do that? I have new clothes on. It's another day. I'm editing the vlog video, and I realized I never said goodbye or did anything like that. So Hold up, wait, sorry, before I say goodbye. Here are some other shots that I shot for some other ideas that I had. Obviously, I shot a bunch of different shots with Why do I keep saying shots? So goodbye. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I think it's alright for a 4-hour job. It's fine. Subscribe, like, notifications, email, Tumblr, Pinterest, Vine,